In this guide, I'll show you how to transfer your Nintendo Switch system data to your Nintendo Switch 2. So during your Switch 2 setup, you'll be brought to this page, and if you select About System Transfers at the bottom, you can learn what this entails. So if you're okay with it, we're going to go to Start System Transfer at the top, and it's going to give you this little rundown about the microSDs. I'm going to skip it. And then you need to sign into your Nintendo account. So once you're signed in, you can go to Next in this section, and then it's going to ask you to connect the AC adapter to your Nintendo Switch 2. So after you've done this, it's going to tell you to bring your Nintendo Switch close to your Switch 2. Then select Done on your Nintendo Switch 2, which will give you these instructions. So on your Nintendo Switch, we're going to go to System Settings, and then scroll down and select System. And from the System Settings, make sure your Nintendo Switch is up to date. Then you can scroll down in this section and go to System Transfer to Nintendo Switch 2. So you can select Next in this section. It's kind of similar to what's on the Nintendo Switch 2. And you want to go to OK and then select Done. And then you may get this screen regarding save files. Feel free to read it if you'd like. I'm just going to select Next. And then you have to connect your Nintendo Switch to an AC adapter as well. So on the Switch 2, you're going to get this screen where it's going to ask you to start the download. So you can select that, and then the transfer is going to begin. So now it's simply just a matter of waiting for that to finish, and you'll get this complete notification. And then you can press the Home button on your Switch 2, and then it's going to give you this cool Switch 2 animation, and you're going to get the home screen. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.